Hi, I'm Deke McClelland, the best-selling author of books and videos on Photoshop, and the instructor behind the brand new course, Photoshop 2020 New Features, available at LinkedIn Learning. Photoshop 2020 tells it all. The world's best image editor, Photoshop, through the prism of perfect vision, 2020. Every pixel exactly as it should be, exactly as it is. Okay, that sounds good, but what do those words mean? Well, here's a countdown of my top 5 new features. At number 5, you can now zoom in on the contents of one or more selected layers just like that. At number 4, you can access the layer comps inside of a linked smart object. At number 3, the object selection tool. Drag and collapse around the subject of a photograph, and with any luck, Photoshop selects it. If you're thinking those are the first 3, right, gets better. At number 2, we have enhanced preset management. That's what Adobe's calling it, but it doesn't begin to tell the story. Assemble collections of styles, gradients, patterns, drag and drop custom shapes. It's crazy. And yet, it doesn't hold a candle to feature number 1, the feature that I've been asking for, begging for at least the last 18 years. Adobe calls it warp enhancements. I call it must-have distortion magic. But hey, don't trust me. Not now, anyway. Trust me after you watch my course on LinkedIn Learning, Photoshop 2020 New Features, which is altogether objective, by the way, until we get to warp enhancements, which is when you and I will break down into tears of joy. I am Deke McClelland. Do me a solid. No, wait. Do you a solid and watch my course.